Firstly, the replacement head for the washing pen. These are 4 bottles of small bubble solution used for suction pens, which can be mixed with water in the bottle for use. Next, select the suction probe on the screen. On the left side of the operation interface, select the solution bottle, and on the right side, adjust the time and force. Next, we will select the probe to install on the suction pen and perform the operation. Pay attention to pulling from bottom to top during operation, and adjust the suction and water flow in a timely manner according to the experience. The suction and water flow can be adjusted on the 2 knobs of the instrument. During operation, silicone or plastic probes can also be replaced based on user experience. Next, we will operate the oxygen injection handle. We can add the required product to the solution bottle of the oxygen injection handle for operation. When operating, attention should be paid to the distance between the handle and the face. Avoid product contact with other parts. When operating the ultrasonic handle, we can apply essence or product to the operating part. Here we use gel instead. After entering the interface, adjust the energy to medium level to start the operation. When operating, we can choose to circle from bottom to top or use a free-line pulling method. The operation can be repeated about 2 times. Next, we will choose the eye ultrasound handle. Adjust the energy after entering the interface. Since the eyes are sensitive, the energy needs to be adjusted slowly from low to high. Our products can also be used to import for the eyes. After entering the interface, the left side of the interface is for mode selection. After entering the interface, the left side of the interface is for mode selection, and the right side is for energy adjustment. We can operate by pressing the switch on the handle. When operating the face, slide it from bottom to top. It is important to keep the probe in contact with the skin and avoid moving it too high or too low. Next, we choose the ion spray handle. After entering the interface, we can adjust the energy on the right side of the interface. When operating, we can use the technique of lifting from bottom to top along the face. Attention should be paid to the customer's facial condition during operation, and energy and mode should be adjusted at any time. Next, we will choose the plasma controller. The main function is to reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. The operation method is still bottom-up lifting, and the ability is adjusted according to customer experience at any time. Next, we operate the ion clip, which can be used together with the facial mask. Stick the facial mask, clamp the four corners of the facial mask, adjust the energy and click start. Finally, we choose the hot and cold probes. Adjust the energy and let's start the operation. We can first select the cold function for operation, and then switch to the hot function after 3 minutes.